So my makeup is done. Let me know how you like it. There is no liquid foundation. Just moisturize well. Don't layer up. And the rest of the products, just know where to put what. I think that's good enough. It does not matter what brand you use. I use my collection. I don't shop for the page. I have just already shopped so much that I'm making use of it by sharing looks with you guys because I love makeup. Um, do try this look and let me know how you like it. Hi guys, I'm back today with another look. Today's occasion for my makeup is I'm just having some family over for dinner. I'm not in the mood to fuss too much as usual because my makeup is always easy, lazy, whatever. I'm going to first prime my face with this. I really like this product. It gives you a nice moisturized feeling as well as gives you a little bit of a glow. I'm not the type who's going to prime my face with first this, then that, then this cream, then this gel, then this. I'll get so tired, I just won't do it. So I keep it simple. I basically moisturize my face after my bath. Um, I do like the 82E products by Deepika Padukone. Those are very good. But my go-to for my skin, honestly, is just coconut oil. Nothing works better, even for removing your makeup. Now, I think I'm going to do a natural makeup look, nicely contoured, mildly contoured, but nicely contoured with some bright lips. This is my favorite. This is the MAC 24-hour concealer. It blends easily. Once you do spot concealing, and then you use the MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation, which is a foundation, then the coverage is not bad. You don't look layered because I don't like lines on my face. Once you cross your 30s, you just layer less. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the Studio Fix. For natural makeup looks, this is definitely one of my favorite palettes. It's the New Nude Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to use the PAC 204 brush. And the shade I'm going to select is called Secret, which is this one. I'm doing a natural makeup look with proper contouring with a bright lipstick because sometimes, I am a lipstick fan. So if I wear a nice bright lipstick, I want that to be the highlight. So this is one of those days. It's a very cute pink color. Just bring it up till your crease line, not beyond that. Whatever's left in the brush, you can bring it down a little bit. Now, colors like these actually just contour your eye. Now, what I'm going to do is do something to give it a little definition. The main definition will actually come from mascara, but maybe a little Little more. So now I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow by Miss Claire and this pack 078 brush, and I'm going to line my lower outer lash line. Just go literally with the lash line, and that mild definition will happen. You know, one of the reasons I don't do winged eyeliner looks is because I can't. It takes so long for me to get the wing right. Like, if I do it, I'll take the whole day off, keep doing it. It just doesn't work. But if I find a hack that makes my life easy, I'm going to share it with you guys. But for now, I'm pretty happy with these easy techniques. That's it. See the definition? I'm going to do the same thing on the upper lash line, absolutely close to the lash. And I'm now going to come all the way in. See? Same with this. I'm going to quickly set my eyebrows. Today I'm using the Huda Legit Lashes. First, you have to use the volume side. And then I'm going to use the curl and length side. This is a dramatic mascara, but I love it. Mascara lines your eyes on its own. My eye makeup is done. If you want, you can highlight your brow bone. I'm going to highlight my brow. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with a color like this. New lip liner, fill out and line it. Today I'm going to use a red lipstick, so this lip liner is Cherry by MAC. And I'm going to use this Maybelline ink crayon, Super Stay ink crayon. Now we'll do some contouring. So today for a change, I'm going to use a stick contour. This one is by Nude Sticks and it's super duper subtle. Like literally this dark, not even darker than this. I would use a darker color for an evening look when it's a heavy look and the light's going to be dim, but this is just subtle enough to give you that little bit of contouring that works. So I'll do this. Some here. If you have a broader forehead, then you can put some here as well. Some on my jawline. And a little on the two sides of my nose. Very subtle. I'm going to just take my Studio Fix and soften it. So there's contour, but not in your face contour. I'm going to take the powder contour palette by NYX and the pack 245 and just use a little powder contour to set it right. Any kind of powder form of makeup kind of locks it. I picked out this Pixie on the Glow blush, which is super cute. And I'm gonna try it today for the first time for you guys. Let's see how it is. Put it this way or this way? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's quite pigmented. It's quite pigmented. And I like it. Blends well. A little more. Okay, this is a nice blush. I'm obsessed with cream blushes. Me likes. And now maybe a little highlighter. This is the MAC Mineralized Soft and Gentle Highlighter. Now a little bit. Hope you can see it. So my makeup is done. Let me know how you like it. Um, you saw everything that I used. There is no liquid foundation. Just moisturize well. Don't layer up. And the rest of the products, just know where to put what. I think that's good enough. It does not matter what brand you use. I use my collection. I don't shop for the page. I have just already shopped so much that I'm making use of it by sharing looks with you guys because I love makeup. Um, do try this look. and let me know how you like it. I'm going to take a few pictures in natural light. So that's my look, guys. A family dinner where I just want to look pleasant for them. And I also really wanted to use a red lipstick. Give it a try. Try these looks and let me know. Give me some feedbacks. Leave some pictures of yours in the comment section so that I can see that I'm really helping, because I believe that I really make makeup easy. And getting to see that would encourage me a little more. I'm off to Vietnam next month, and I'm going to really try and carry less makeup, which will make me feel happy for 10 days, because otherwise I'll get bored. But I have to plan it. But I will share with you guys what I carried, and within those days, how I used all those products and created a few looks. So I promise you a video from Vietnam every day.